So the industries and types of customers that we're supporting here at Liftrite are predominantly the mining and construction industry. Still look at transport and infrastructure, operations, construction, civil works, dabble in a little bit of agriculture. There's not really any industry that we won't supply to here.
Liftrite was established in 1983 by three founders who created the business, and they built the business from 3 people up to now, as we see, just over 50 people. Liftrite offers new equipment sales of both the Manitou and Kobelco range. We also have a hire range. We also do service, parts, and we also offer used equipment where customers have traded in a machine, so we're able to sell those as well. What it allows customers to do is, if they don't want to buy a machine straight away, they can actually hire the same machine. So that gives us an opportunity for them to get into the machine, test it out, see if they want a smaller machine, a larger machine, whether they want some additional features. And then from there, they're able to determine what's best going to suit their business. The benefits of being an authorised dealer is having that direct access with the factory. So Manitou manufactured in France and Kobelco manufactured in Japan. We're able to have direct line with those factories.
So the good thing we have with the OEM relationships is the actual training that comes with them. We get the latest in product updates, we get factory-backed training to run through all the features and benefits of our machines so we can pass that knowledge on to the customer. And it's the same with our workshop and field service techs. They get the training on how to best keep machines up and running, minimise downtime and satisfy customers' needs. I think it's these relationships that we have with the clients that keep them coming back to Liftrite. They know who we are, they know what we provide, and we give them that level of comfort and reliability for their operations.
So we have a fleet of 6 field service agents. These guys will go and service our hire fleet if you've rented a machine, but also if there's a breakdown of a machine or you need some additional training, our team will go out to site, assist you. As well as we do have a parts unit, so we send parts all around the country, and we also have other fleets that can go out and support your machines if there's a breakdown.
Being able to get out and to our customers, it just minimises the issues for them. Having our technicians available to go to the machine, to our customers, it just saves time, it saves money, and it's all about getting everyone back up and running as quick as possible.
Customers have the understanding and the confidence that we want to continue to invest in the relationship. We want to still build into Western Australia. We want to continue to grow.